Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Imanes here, and I'm here with another video on Paws. So recently Paws announced wallet connection, Solana wallet connection. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys a step-by-step guide on how to connect your Solana wallet. As you can see, it's here, and if you go to earn, you see it as a text there. Also you can see connect Solana wallet. But before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on the bell icon, and stay tuned and watch other videos on the channel which might be helpful for you. So to do that, you click on start. First, you have to download Phantom Wallet. When you download Phantom Wallet, you have to create a wallet account, and of course copy the seed phrase and keep it aside. So I've already downloaded my Phantom Wallet, so I'm going to go to connect Phantom Wallet. So it has taken me to my own Phantom Wallet. This is a Solana based wallet. So I'll wait for it to load up. It takes a while, of course. So as you can see, it has opened, and as you can see, connect API, Paws community, connecting site to view all balances and activities. So here I'll click on this place, this account. It's still loading up. Okay, it has selected account 1. So it has worked. I created this account recently, so I'm going to go to connect to account 1. If you are using multiple accounts, you can actually create more Solana wallet account, but I will teach you that in a bit. Let me just connect. So I've connected to take me to their website. Back to Telegram. So let me go back to Telegram to see if it has worked. So as you can see, Solana wallet connected. So I'm going to claim my 1000 Paws and go to home page. I'll click on this to check. As you can see, this is my Ton wallet and this is my Solana wallet. So like I said, to add more Solana wallet accounts, you go to Phantom and you click on this place, and then you click on add / connect wallet. If you don't already have Solana wallet, you can just create it from here. As you can see, they said the name of the account is account 2. So you go to create. So I've created that. As you can see, I've created the account, and to back up the seed phrase, and you need to back up the seed phrase, of course. So to back up your account, you go to this place right here, you click on it like this, and once it opens, go to this pen type of thing, that place, just click on it, and then you click on this place, show recovery phrase. Click on that place. I cannot actually open my own because a lot of you guys will try to copy my security phrase. So you click on that place. Once you click on it, then you get your secret recovery phrase, which you can use to log in the account. Please write it down, just in case anything happens to your phone and you lose the account, you can still recover it with your phones. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.